Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Night News. I am your host, Tony Lee, and today I wanted to go over a couple of things within the crypto space. But before I begin, I have to start with this. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do should not be considered financial advice. Please, please, please do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into the top 10 coins for today, right now. Let's see here. Bitcoin comes in at number one at 19,899. Ethereum number two at 1,121. Tether number three at 99 cents. USD coin number four at $1. BNB coin number five at $229. Binance USD coin number six at $1. XRP number seven at 32 cents. Cardano number 8 at 45 cents, Solana number 9 at $35, and Dogecoin number 10 at 6 cents. So, like you said, we're seeing a little bit of red. And I remember this morning we were seeing some green, so there was a small little rally going on, but we're starting to see the red now. So it's like things are starting to drop down a little bit. But let's look at let's see here, the market cap right now. So right now it looks like we're at 901 billion. So it is slightly up from earlier this morning. So, but I guess like I said, there is still some red. And let's see here. Right now we're looking at an 18 on the fear and greed index, which is we're still in extreme fear. I believe earlier this morning it may have been 19, so it's like it's gone down a little bit. So like the market is a little more fearful, despite there being a little bit more money within the market right now. Like I said, it's we're at 18 right now. So yesterday was at a 19, last week was a 13, and last month was a 13. So yeah, it's we're still in the extreme fear. Like I said before, anything below 25 is extreme fear. Anything above 75 is extreme greed. So we're still in the extreme fear, and we're probably gonna be there for a little while. But let's get into some crypto news. So let's switch it up. Let's switch it up a little bit today. So let's start it with Shiba. So it says 92% of Coinbase users trading Shiba Inu are buying SHIB. Exchanges data shows. So I don't know if you all remember, Shiba Inu came through. I want to say, what was it? Around 2021. I think it's when Shiba Inu like really just took off. It was always known as the Dogecoin killer. But yeah, like I said, it came through. It took off. They call it a meme coin. Other people call it a shit coin. It really didn't have a lot of utility with it, but as it gained popularity, you started to see different companies accepting it. So, like I said, it's starting to gain some utility, and then it's like they're trying to build out. Believe they're trying to build out a metaverse. So, which as the project grows. And the more utility comes along with it, I believe it could wind up staying around for the long term. That's just my opinion. And right now it's super low. I remember like right before, I believe its all-time high was 0.000 either 7 or 8. And this is coming from, I want to say around in its early days when it very first began. I believe it was like 7-0. So 7 or 8-0. So I mean, it literally dropped. It literally dropped 4 to 5 zeros. So it's it's come a long way. But like I said, I believe it's at 4 zeros now. I believe last week it was at 5 zeros. So it's come up a little bit. There is still interest within the coin itself. So let's see what they're talking about. So it says data from NASDAQ listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase shows that 92% of platform users who are trading the meme inspired cryptocurrency Shiba Inu are buying amid an ongoing accumulation trend that has seen the price of SHIB hold relatively well over the past 30 days. So according to data from Coinbase price pages, 92% of its users are buying up SHIB, while only 8% prefer to sell their holdings in its over the last 24-hour period. So per the cryptocurrency exchange, increased buying activity can signal that the asset is gaining popularity. So like I said, it's slowly but surely coming back around again. Data from the exchange further shows that the typical hold time for SHIB on the platform has risen up to 152 days, up from 120 days back in April of this year. The exchange's pages note that a long time signals an accumulation trend, while a short hold time indicates increased movement of tokens. So, uh, people are starting to, I guess, kind of understand how this bear and bull market works. They're seeing that, hey, like I said, while we're in a bear market, that's the time for accumulation. While when we get in a bull market, that's the time for selling off those assets that you accumulated during that bear market. So, slowly but surely, I think people are starting to catch on. But like I said, SHIB, depending on how much someone invests into it, I've heard of people making some great gains with that cryptocurrency. So, like I said, we'll just have to wait and see if this accumulation trend continues with SHIB. All right, well, let's move on to some other news. And other news, Tesla Bitcoin investment dwindles by 440 million as crypto winter drags on. So Tesla wasn't the one to be left behind. Disclosed a 1.5 billion dollar Bitcoin purchase on February the 8th. The crypto buying splurge was made in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The the purchase, Tesla said, was part of its updated investment portfolio, which the company's audit officials gave the thumbs up to. So, let's see here. So, if you all remember, Bitcoin was at, I believe, 68,000 in October, November. Like I said, we're at 19,000. I just went over that earlier. We're at a little over 19,000. So, it's dropped literally close to $50,000. So, depending on when Tesla got it, if they got it, well, they got it in February. So, believe it was still pretty high then. So, I mean, yeah, they've lost a pretty penny. But let's continue to read on. So since then, Bitcoin's value has decreased by more than half. Bitcoin was at 19,000 as of June 30th, the last day of Tesla's second fiscal quarter, and as of this writing, Bitcoin was trading at 19,735. Let's see here. So let's see here. All right, so it says Tesla's investment in Bitcoin has declined dramatically in recent months. In the second quarter financial report of 2022, Tesla's Bitcoin holding had a $440 million decrease in the wake of the continued bear market. At the end of June, Bitcoin and Tesla's Bitcoin investment dropped to nearly approximately 820 million as a result of the fluctuated price of the crypto. Tesla valued its Bitcoin at $1.26 billion 3 months ago. Wow. Despite the fact that the firm's Bitcoin contained approximately $2 billion worth of crypto, the electric vehicle's accounting practice means it doesn't see any profits until it sells. So, this indicates that the Austin, Texas-based car maker will likely record a write-down of its Bitcoin holdings of around 440 million, approximately 9% of its yearly sales in 2021. So, okay, so it says Bitcoin was trading for more than $46,000 at the beginning of the year, but it's sorry. Sorry. Let's see here, but its value has dramatically reduced since then. Since reaching its all-time high in November of the last year, Bitcoin's prices dropped by more than 75%. I was about to say something about MicroStrategy. They've been buying up a lot of Bitcoin while it was still high. So I mean, they're in the red too. So, but I believe that, like I said, people see this as, I did an episode on this. I believe I want to say, was it this morning or yesterday? We were talking about the Bitcoin whales, the Bitcoin shrimps, and the Bitcoin tourists. So, anybody buying up as much as Tesla's been buying up, or MicroStrategy, those will be considered the Bitcoin whales. So, I guess during this period, during this bear market period, some people are accumulating and some people are selling off due to fear. But some people see that, hey, there is an upside to what's going on, despite, like I said, there being a lot of red within the market. people see that there is money to be made when the next bull run hits. So, like I said, we'll see if Tesla can recover from this. In my opinion, I believe they can. I really do. Like I said, when investing, the market goes up, it goes down. But in my opinion, as long as someone believes in the project, then hey, if it goes down, then like I said, if you believe in the project, then it's just like you don't have to worry but so much, because like I said, you believe in what they're trying to do. And like I said, a lot of people believe in Bitcoin and what it signifies. So like I said, we're in a red period right now, but like I said, if people can just hold out, or if people do hold out, excuse me, then like I said, they can potentially see some green. All right, so that was today's episode of Crypto Night News. Once again, I am your host, Tony Lee. If you found anything at all of interest, please hit that like or subscribe button, subscribe button. And let me know in the comment section, when do you think Bitcoin will go back up? When do you think we're going to get out of this bear market that we've been in? All right, until next time.